Hey folks, so welcome to week 12 of Allie's Lose Weight With Me challenge. This week, we're going to keep it simple with what we did last week for dinner, Monday through Friday. We're going to do the grilled up salmon with the cauliflower rice and mushrooms, and it was so good. And for lunch, we're doing turkey burgers again. So easy, so delicious and filling. I'm not intermittent fasting at the moment. I think last week it really helped me to have a little bit of lunch so that I'm not starving by dinner time. But this week, I'm also picking up things for my Christmas party. This is the menu we have. It's all going to be like finger foods, stuff you don't really need a fork for. Cocktail weenies with my low sugar sauce that I like to make. Turkey meatballs and like a marinara sauce. Caprese skewers, deviled eggs, nuts and cheese. And I want to do like these roasted Brussels sprouts that I saw on Pinterest, like a dip. You just eat them with a toothpick. So we'll see what happens. I told the man he was in charge of desserts for this party because I'm not gonna probably make a sugar-free dessert. I'm not doing that at the moment. So the party is a dress and what you love but never get to wear party. So I haven't decided what I'm gonna wear, but I'm excited to figure it out. And also the invite said champagne and hors d'oeuvres or BYOB. So I gotta pick up some cheap champagne as well. So I actually spent some time on foodline.com and I priced out everything so that I know exactly what I'm gonna spend for all of my party food. So trying to be organized, trying not to spend more than I need to for everything. So yeah, I'm really excited to be a little bit more stricter this week with the salmon like I was last week. I think it did me really well. And I woke up today's Sunday, at 162. So doing much better than last week when I started the video for last week because I was 169. Ooh, Thanksgiving really set me back. But it's all right. We're going to continue to be a little bit more stricter. And I feel good. So we have our champagne, aka I think it's actually a Prosecco. It says a cuvee, but who knows. So I got 6 of the regulars and then 4 of the rosés. I haven't tried this one. I'm just a fan of regular old sparkling wine, just like the white stuff. Sometimes this one's a little bit sweeter, but it says dry, so we'll try it out. So hopefully that's enough for like 12 people. I'm sure it is. I'm probably overbuying. I feel like Michael Scott in that episode of The Office when he's having the holiday party and he buys the alcohol and he buys like a bottle of vodka per person. That's me, I guess. So we just got back from the grocery store running some errands, and let me show you what we got at the grocery store for this week, for my Monday through Friday, and for my Christmas party. So once again, we're doing the turkey burgers. I eat 2 of these, and those come out to 300 calories total, and I just top them with some Italian seasoning and some salt. I throw them in the broiler for like 20 minutes. 0 carb, lots of protein, nice, good lunch. And then I got a couple heads of cauliflower. I've been making my rice cauliflower. I just chop it up and put it into a blender. And I actually have a spare one from last week in the fridge. So I have a total of 3. And then we got a couple of these pink salmons with the skin on. And these were so good last week. Just salt and peppered them, put them in. Half a tablespoon of olive oil on the frying pan. Yes. So, I mean, that's basically what I eat as my deficit, but I also picked up some pork rinds. I like to snack on these more on the weekend, like I already opened that bag right when we got back, just to have a little bit of a snack. And let me show you what I got for the Christmas party that we're gonna have on this coming Saturday. So I didn't get like perishable things, I got just things that can hang out in the fridge or the cupboard. Just so I don't have to worry on Thursday or Friday, like trying to get everything. I can just like see what I have and then just go get like the last few things closer to the actual day of the party. But I was pretty under budget. I only spent like 160 on all the champagne, the 10 bottles of champagne and this food that I'm going to show you. So I probably only have like a little bit more to spend food-wise. So first thing, I just got some sliced Colby Jack cheese so I don't have to worry about slicing it and chopping it. So I'll just put those on a spread with my nuts. So I got some raw pecan halves, some salty dry roasted peanuts, and then some sweet honey roasted almonds for the folks who like the sweet stuff. I'm gonna make my weenies. I needed more sugar-free ketchup, but they were out of weenies, y'all. I don't know if it's like the shortage, but I didn't see them anywhere where they usually are. So I'm gonna have to go buy some more later on this week. I wanna make some caprese salad skewers that I made for my summer party. They were so good. And I love this type of cheese, the mozzarella and oil. Oh my goodness, look at all that seasoning. Yummy. I think I'm gonna try and do some deviled eggs, just some simple deviled eggs. I just feel like that's so traditional for a holiday party. So I'm gonna have to go pick up eggs as well. I didn't pick any up today since I got lots of heavy stuff and I did not want my eggs to break in the car. And I'm gonna make my turkey meatballs and I'm gonna just have those sitting in a crock pot and people can, you know, fish them out and put them on their plate and eat them with toothpicks and everything. I just thought that that would be fun. Something warm and tasty and delicious. I really enjoy them, and the man likes them, so I think everybody would enjoy them. And I like turkey. I don't know why. Not just because I'm a health freak a little bit, but I think that they taste good. So that's just what I've been making, and that's what I know how to make. So that's what people are going to get. Hey folks, so it is Friday, my favorite day of the week, and it's a little gloomy today. If I show you over here without showing you all my mess in the kitchen, just that stuff on the table. Little rainy out today. I'm so excited. I hit the 150s again. It's been a while. So I'm feeling good. I got my skinny jeans on. I don't feel a whole lot of muffin top going on over here. So I feel good. I feel proud. That salmon, I'll tell y'all what, holiday salmon, hey. It's the secret to weight loss. I don't know. I've been enjoying it. It's been really good. And also, I'm gonna say it, I'm really enjoying my little lunches. You know, a lot of people who promote keto promote intermittent fasting as well. And I did as a maintenance strategy, but all through my weight loss, I ate 2 to 3 meals a day. I didn't intermittent fast until I was a couple years maybe into maintenance or so, maybe a year into maintenance. And I just fell into it when I did. I didn't really like decide to do it. It was more of just like, oh, I forgot to bring my lunch today to work. And then I fasted until I got home, and I was like, that wasn't bad. Maybe let's keep doing that. So it was never like a conscious decision until later on. But I lost all my weight eating a lunch and like a tiny breakfast sometimes. So maybe that's what I need, because I think I've just been starving when I get home from work. And I think that might have been causing me to overeat a little bit. But now it's like 4:30. I'm not starving because I had my little 300 calorie lunch. Like, I could go for a while. Speaking of dinner, it is Friday. Don't know what the plan is. The man just got home from work. He's still in his work truck. I think he's making some phone calls. So I'm gonna see what he wants to do, if he wants to do anything. And tomorrow is a Christmas party. It is a dress and what you love but never get to wear Christmas soiree. So I've been doing like last minute, shopping. I went and got my meats and like perishable items yesterday, and today I realized I didn't have any more foil or basil. I totally forgot basil, and I had to go to Publix. Y'all know I hate Publix. They're too expensive. I can't shop there on the reg. I'm not that rich yet. I'm a teacher. And we're serving hors d'oeuvres and some cheap champagne. I think it's really a Prosecco. I don't know. It's by the Bubbly. It's one of my favorites. I get it all the time. You've seen it in my videos, and it's like $9 a bottle. It's very dry, what I like, and a sparkling wine. I did go get a prop. It's one of these like photo things. I'm sorry, I know you can't really see it because I'm holding the camera. I don't know. I just thought it'd be fun to like set up my one of my selfie lights and like my camera holder so people can take a picture with their cell phone, take selfies. I don't know. I'm trying to think like, how can I make it more fun? Got lots of Christmas music. Still got to work on my Christmas playlist. I need to get things done. Tonight, I'm going to make the meatballs. I'm going to roll them up, get them ready so I can just throw them into the oven tomorrow. So that's about it. A little bit of an update. If I do something tonight, I will let you know, and I'll see you in a bit. Hey folks, tonight is the big night. I have done so much to get ready for this. We woke up at like 8 and started like cleaning and cooking and preparing and everything. So I did have my little lunch, and I always look forward to my little turkey burgers, boneless turkey burgers, turkey patties. And they're so good. And y'all, I only tasted 2 weenies. If you saw my video from a few weeks ago, I like overate on all the finger foods that I made when some family came over. But I did so good today because I wasn't starving. So I'm giving up intermittent fasting. Not for me. Not right now while I'm trying to lose weight. It was a good maintenance strategy. Things change. So I'm adapting, and that's what you have to do if you want to lose weight. You have to adapt because your life changes, your needs change, your motivations change, and everything changes. So you have to be able to adapt to life. That's one of the main keys with weight loss and weight maintenance. And that's why I like keto, because I can adapt it to me. Okay, I've got to go make my caprese skewers. I got to take my Brussels sprouts out of the oven and set them up on the table. And Merry Christmas! This is our Christmas party. I might change the name to the Here's Your Excuse party. Your excuse to wear whatever you want. If you can tell, I bought this dress like back when COVID first happened, and then nothing was happening, but I'm feeling pretty good. I've been wanting to wear it for like a year and a half. So this is my excuse. Hey folks, it is the morning after. I was so tired yesterday. Literally just preparing and working and getting everything ready from like 8 a.m. until people arrived right at 6:30. And I think it was all worth it. I think everybody had a blast. The first people showed up at 6:30. Most people got here around 7. And then people stayed here until almost midnight. So a good like 5 hours of lots of people, 6 hours or so. Well, 5.5 hours. This is why I don't teach math. Yeah, so the surprising winners, the food winners that everybody loved. The deviled eggs were the first thing to go, and everybody really liked the roasted Brussels sprouts. Those went pretty quick too, and they're all gone. The meatballs weren't a hit, and I think it's because the meatballs were too big. and the sauce didn't stay thick in the crock pot. It got really watery. I guess because it was heating up too much. I tried to turn it just on warm and it was still pretty watery. So I probably should have let it like air out or something. I don't know. I needed to make smaller meatballs though. So I'll do that in the future because we were eating them with toothpicks, most people. And so you had to like bite it off the toothpick. So, or stuff the whole meatball in your mouth. The weenies did pretty good. There were some weenies left over. So at the end of the night, I was like, should I just eat them? No, I did not. I did not eat the weenies. I think I did pretty good. And I do think that having my lunch yesterday helped me not be starving. I did chug a bunch of lemon water at the end of the night. I probably had like 5 or 6 glasses of lemon water for the last hour. And then once people left, I was just chugging water. And I think, so I ate lots of salt probably. So I haven't weighed today. I'm kind of curious to see how bad it is. I don't feel awful, but you've seen me gain so many pounds of water weight after something like this. Let's go see what it is. Okay, so 164. So I was 159 yesterday before the party, 164 today. It's all water weight. Water, the salt that I ate is holding on to the water. I drank so much water. I don't think I ate anything really carby. Just do the best. I really chose like the worst time of the year to try and lose weight. I feel like every other weekend there's something going on that I want to participate in. But I don't feel like I overate. So I feel pretty good. I'm not disappointed in it. And I think I've been looking forward to this party for like a month and a half or so. Just like so many weeks, just trying to figure out what to serve. You know, making the invites, figuring out everything, trying to decorate a little bit, collecting the food. So it's been fun and it gives me something to look forward to. I think everybody had fun and I had fun, so I think it was worth it, even if I did gain 5 pounds of water weight. That's about it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. And I'll post the recipes that I have for everything down below if you're curious how to make some low-carb goodies and appetizers for your own soiree. And I will see you guys next time. My name's Allie. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.